What's up guys, it's Shaggy here. I've had feedback that I might have come a little bit too racist over the 5 most common uncommon things Dutch people ask, and that's why I'm gonna talk about the 5 most not sarcastically things I love about the Netherlands. I'm not going to be sarcastic, totally not sarcastic, bro. The Netherlands is crazy with patats, and with patats I mean they're crazy with fries. Their fries are like the best in Europe. Here in South Holland, when you want to buy good patats, I always recommend Bramladash. I've never eaten Bramladash. Apparently it's one of the best patats in the Netherlands, but when you go a little bit more north, you know, when you go to Amsterdam, North Holland, you're gonna start getting plums of fries and stuff. And when you ask people like, hey bro, why is this fry so good? They be like, oh yeah, no, because this tastes good, but it has something that reminds me of Belgian fries. That's awesome, I think, in my opinion, if you know what I mean. Second thing I love is that the Netherlands is in the top 10 richest countries of Europe. The awesome thing about this is that you can survive even when you have 5 euros here in the Netherlands. I've been to hell and back, and something that's awesome about the Netherlands is that if you only have 5 euros, you can survive a whole week. You know, with 5 euros you can buy bread, you can buy pindakaas, and that's like peanut butter, and you can buy some stuff and you can survive for a whole week. Something else I really like about this place, and it's very idiotic, it is that you have this allochtone politician called Wilders. He's like, yeah, we should kick people out and blah blah blah, and I'm like, bro, but you are half Indonesian and something. If we start kicking people out, you're like the first one who's supposed to get out. He's like pro-Trump, and with Trump's like 100% Trump, and then you have this guy who's like a mix of something. I don't know if he has someone above him that thought like, you know what, I'm gonna pay you to be an idiot, and you're gonna get a lot of money and you're gonna have a lot of influence, but I'm gonna pay you to be an idiot, because what he's doing is really being an idiot. Another thing I like about the Netherlands is this fact that this is I think maybe the funniest thing I like about the Netherlands. Let's say you're sitting in a bar, cocktail bar, chilling with your friends, and this is a scenario I'm gonna build, and it's very funny. It's like me. Yo bros, what's up? Look. Haven't you guys realized like these days they're controlling people a lot? I'm talking about police work. These guys, like, you know, when I was on my way to you guys, they stopped me and they were like, can I check in your bike bag? And I'm like, hey, it's your job. Do your job. My friends be like, nah, that never happened to us, bro. And I'm like, oh, okay, I only have my bike for 2-3 years. No problem. But okay, leave that bike aside. Haven't you ever gotten pulled aside while you were driving on the fast lane? And my friends be like, no bro, nah, I have my driver's license for like 30 years and I've never ever been pulled over by a cop. And I'm like, okay, that's fine. I'm gonna try it for the last time. Have you ever been pulled aside in Schiphol, that's like the airport of the Netherlands, to be controlled, to be checked, to see if you have any knife or something in your bag? And my friends be like, you have something on your face that makes you look like a criminal, so I don't think it's us. I think it's you. Another thing I like about the Netherlands is the fact that the weather is awesome. When you're living on Curacao, it's warm, it's hot. It's always hot. You can't escape the fact that it's hot. And here in the Netherlands, it varies, you know? Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's not. Most of the time it's raining, and that's cool. It's fine by me because it forces you to sit somewhere and do something useful instead of going outside and doing nothing. On Curacao, you drive to work and then you see a guy sitting under a tree, and then when you're going home to eat, you see that guy sitting on the same spot. That's something the Netherlands doesn't promote, and it's fine, it's awesome, I like it. But whatever guys, alright, this is everything I have for this video. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up or drop a comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. We are 48 subscribers, 2 subscribers away from reaching that 50 subscriber milestone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Alright, thanks for watching. As always, I say give me a 2. I hope to see you in the next video. Shaggy.